Potato and egg curry recipe. The host Shafat, a lively and experienced chef, appears on screen with a friendly smile. Hey there, foodies. Welcome to today's recipe. A delicious and easy to make potato and egg curry that's perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. I'm your host, Shafat, and I'll guide you through this simple recipe. Segment 1. Ingredients and preparation. 0:35 o'clock. Ingredients on the kitchen counter. Here are the ingredients we'll need for our potato and egg curry recipe. 2 large potatoes, peeled and diced 4 eggs, hard-boiled and diced 1 large onion, chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cups water, fresh cilantro. For garnish, chopping the onion and garlic. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Chop the onion and mince the garlic. Segment 2. Cooking the curry, 5 o'clock 1500. Sautéing the onion and garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until it's translucent. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Adding the spices and potatoes. Add the ground cumin, curry powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Cook for 1-2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the diced potatoes and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Segment 3. Adding the eggs and simmering, 1500-2000. Adding the eggs and water, add the diced eggs and 2 cups of water to the pan. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10-15 minutes, or until the potatoes are cooked through and the curry has thickened. Segment 4. Seasoning and serving, 2000-2200. Seasoning the curry. Season the curry with salt to taste. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Serving the curry. Serve the potato and egg curry with rice, roti, or naan bread. Enjoy. Conclusion, 2200-2300. Shafat appears on screen with a friendly smile. That's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious potato and egg curry with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.